Hey guys, Zach with Edwards Garage. Today we're going to be showing you this 2019 Chevrolet Colorado Z71 Midnight Edition truck. It was purchased here originally, so we have a full record of service history, but let's walk you around and show you some features. Up front, we have projector beam, low beam headlamps, fog lights, blacked out Chevy emblem. Moving to the side, black alloy wheels with factory Goodyear Duratrac Wrangler tires. Because it's a Z71 package, it does have the off-road badging and the Z71 suspension. There is blacked out Gatorback mud flaps on the truck. Moving to the tailgate, the box area, we have a factory sprayed GM liner, lockable tailgate backup camera, class 4 hitch with the 7 and 4 pin plug-in, as well as ultrasonic rear park assist with the cab steps. Moving on to this side, you'll see the condition of the truck. It's like new, shows really good, and kind of as you walk down. Okay, so inside the cab of this Colorado, we're going to do what I always like, the typical dash sweep. And so we'll start here. So there's a big console, lots of storage down there. But in front of it, I'd like to point out is it does have a wireless charger. So if you have a cell phone with that capability, you can just set it on there and it will charge the phone. As I mentioned in the hood video, it has an 8-speed automatic transmission. There is a manual shift control. You won't see the buttons on the video, but it's just on the side of the lever, so you can control the gears yourself when you're pulling or just want a little more control. Tucked down here, we have a couple of USB ports, heated seats for both the front driver and passenger, tow haul mode, traction stability control. Because it has a Z71 package, you do get hill descent control. So we mentioned the walk around video, ultrasonic rear park assist, and then cab or box lighting, I should say. Automatic single zone climate control. What I like about that is you can set the temperature. I always prefer 22 degrees. You hit auto and it will automatically control the fan and the direction, getting the cab to wherever temperature you set, which is nice because on a really hot day and it goes to a cold day, you don't have to worry about it. It's always set for you. Up on the radio itself, it does feature Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. So same thing, if you have a newer device with either operating system, you can plug it into the USB port and then your phone will project onto the screen. Not a mirror image, but it'll display things like your Google Maps or Apple Maps, text messages, music, and you have that all built in. There's also Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth capability, so if you have music on your phone, you can do that Bluetooth. Users, so you can have multiple users with customizable radio controls, as well as an app center, so things like the weather channel, direct to our backup camera, you can have that on the radio. Really cool. I won't go into any more detail, but if you come by and check her out, we can explain that. Over on the steering wheel, it is a tilt and telescopic wheel, so for any dimension driver, you're able to sit comfortably, rest your elbows. We have full Bluetooth functionality on this side. We have our cruise control and heated steering wheel on that side, as well as volume controls in behind the radio. Down above my left knee, you won't be able to see it, but the truck's obviously four-wheel drive, but it also features automatic four-wheel drive, which is nice. So when the conditions are marginal, but you don't know if it should be in four-wheel or not, you can leave it in auto and it will just kick in and kick out as you need it. Automatic low beam lights, so when it gets dark, lights turn on. When you get out, they automatically turn off. Full power windows, power mirrors, power door locks, and then a factory remote vehicle start. The vehicle does have OnStar on it, so it will get the My Chevrolet app, a trial period of it anyways, and you're able to start the vehicle, lock and lock it, find it in real time. Anywhere in the world almost that you have cell service, you'll be able to do that to the truck. Short of that, that's the description on the Colorado. I'm Zach. If you have any questions, feel free to call or message us. We look forward to hearing from you.